What if your business could generate reports in minutes instead of hours? What if errors were eliminated entirely? At MBI, we make this possible with automation. Many organizations still rely on outdated manual reporting methods. Slow, prone to errors, and resource-heavy. Managing vast amount of data across subsidiaries, currencies, and reporting structures can be overwhelming. The solution: automation. At MBI, we empower businesses with automation tools that eliminates inefficiencies, reduces errors, and accelerates decision-making. Let's look how it works while practicing. One of our clients wanted to improve their reporting process by identifying inefficiencies and aiming for speed, accuracy, and consistency. Their accounts receivable and payable reports took over 8 hours to compile, with complexities such as manual currency conversions, entry classifications, aging calculations, and formatting inconsistencies. Automation solution by MBI. MBI developed a VBA-based Excel automation tool that transformed this process. Now, in just 3 simple steps, reports are generated with precision and consistency. Step 1. Organize data. Place segment-wise Oracle ERP files in a designated folder. Step 2. Select inputs. Identify raw data files, worksheet names, and currency conversion rate. Step 3. Run the tool. Automate currency conversion, entry classification, and aging calculations. The impact of automation. The results: faster reporting, 0 manual errors, and reduced resource dependency. Our automation solutions allows teams to shift focus from data handling to strategic decision-making. Why choose MBI as your automation partner? At MBI, we specialize in designing automation solutions using VBA, Python, SQL, Power BI, and RPA. Our expertise spans across financial reporting automation, data consolidation and validation, AI-driven business intelligence, and seamless multi-platform integration. MBI's approach. Our approach is not only pertain to technology, but it's about business impact. We don't just automate business process, but we automate the way your business aspires to grow by ensuring meaningful success and measurable results. The future of reporting. Business landscape moves fast. To stay ahead, you need more than just automation. You need strategy, intelligence, and control. That's where MBI comes in. We develop end-to-end automation solutions, eliminating inefficiencies, reducing cost, and enabling seamless operations across your organization. With our intelligent dashboards, decision-making becomes clear and data-driven. Track performance, forecast trends, and make informed decisions with clarity and precision, wherever you are. Whether you're aiming to streamline operations or accelerate growth, MBI empowers your business to evolve with agility and expertise. A story of change powered by automation, written by innovation, and driven by MBI.